I'm aware of what's happening and I'm aware of the calls there have been for me to not do this show, but I really believe that the mission of Move Africa is still important.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out.
It's still important to bring international touring to Rwanda and to other places around the continent. And I didn't want to abandon that mission because I may not agree with everything that the leader of the country does. I don't agree with everything the leader of my country does. I don't believe that we should punish the people of Rwanda and punish the people of other countries when we disagree with their leaders.
I believe that the infrastructure for entertainment is what's lacking.
Maybe it's a perception that they don't have a huge fan base here.
Don't just think bringing your favorite artist to the continent for one show in Nairobi. That's not helpful. You could bring it all together across the whole continent. Why? Because that keeps costs lower.
I think there does need to be more development when it comes to making it possible for more acts to come and tour here.